Terry, some big news this week at MACH 2018 from what is now Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. Why the change?
Well, most people know us as 600 UK, but actually the Colchester name is more globally recognised as a brand. So really it's about using that leverage. So we decided to use MACH as a platform to relaunch ourselves as Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.
I was going to say that name is iconic, isn't it? I mean, everybody knows the Colchester name, whatever age you are. So a pretty good move.
Yeah, I think so. And we are keeping the brands within the Colchester name. We still have Harrison, we still have Pratt Bernard, and we also have closing in the US. So the brand and the brand portfolio still exists.
You have got some new models, though, haven't you, that have come out and that are being shown here for the first time at MACH 2018. What are they?
They are the new development on the Tornado range that we used to do. And I think, it's safe to say that when Colchester brought out the Tornado range, it was a game changer. So what we've done is we brought the next generation out and called them the Typhoons. And they're on actual launch today at MACH as well.
So you're adding more machines to the portfolio. What does this mean for the business in terms of the direction that you're going and what you'll be to the engineering and the manufacturing community?
Well, I think, as the name suggests, Machine Tool Solutions, it's not just the product. We're also looking at value-added services, in particular Industry 4, and we've managed to integrate that into a maintenance package. But for us as a business, we're looking at significant growth over the next 2-3 years.
And there's no change. Anybody that's been associated with the previous 600 UK, 600 group, no changes for them, is there, going forward?
No. Well, yes. I think you're going to find a lot better service, a lot better deliveries, and a lot better product and availability and new products. We launched 2 new products at MACH, and we are planning another 2 new product launches this year.
It's perfect timing with it being MACH 2018. How's it been received by your audience?
Well, we'll know when we finalise MACH and we get the actual visitor numbers, but I can say that Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday were phenomenal. And I'd like to sum it up in one statement. We had a customer on the stand just recently. He saw the new Typhoon machines and he just said, "Thank God you're doing CNC again."
Thank you very much, Terry. Good luck going forward.
Thank you.